Hi! In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the wallpaper on your lock screen or your home screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. First, go back to your home screen using the Home key. Then, swipe down and tap on the Settings icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Then tap on My Wallpapers. Here, you'll find some preloaded wallpapers in the Featured tab. You can also tap on the Downloaded tab to use wallpapers you've downloaded in the past. You can tap on the Options button at the top to access live wallpapers if available. Select the wallpaper you want to use and choose whether to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. Tap on Set on Home and Lock Screen to apply the wallpaper. You can also change the wallpaper directly from the home screen. Just tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen, then tap on Wallpaper. From here, you can choose a picture from your gallery and set it as wallpaper. That's it! You can now choose from preloaded wallpapers or select a photo from your gallery to set as your wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!